everyone, I'm very excited to be with you today for another episode of our Spotlight series. I'm Denis, the Senior Vice President of International Hub for Home and Distribution at Schneider Electric. Today, the offer in focus is Unica X, a new premium range of wiring devices for Gulf and Saudi Arabia. So what is exactly Unica X? Unica X is our new range designed specifically for British standard countries like the Gulf and Saudi Arabia. This range offers a distinctive ergonomic design, advanced connectivity, and even much more, making it perfect for residential and commercial buildings such as offices and hotels. Unica X is our new offer in wiring devices range in the premium market, and by consequence, it reinforces our relationship with contractors, home builders, and interior designers to whom we are able to provide a modern edge with our next generation solution. So, what are the customer values? First, I would say that Unica X brings a new ultra-thin design, offering a frameless solution with premium material and finishes. Technically, I would say this is just an amazing innovation. As you know, we are compatible with our British standard boxes, 25mm depth. We are providing a large dolly, a large rocker, and here the thinnest possible design aesthetic delight our customers, 6.5mm. How our technical teams find the way with such a low angle, 1 degree angle, to ensure insulation between the contact is just amazing to me. So here, point number 2, we are bringing the most beautiful color trends in this premium segment. And third, I would say that here we have the catalog of the most advanced functions to enhance the customer experience, such as all the USB, the sensors, and the connectivity options. So now I will hand over to Andre, who will go in the detail of Unica X. Over to you, Andre.
Thank you, Denis. I'm thrilled to dive into the details of Schneider Electric's new range of premium wiring device, Unica X. Those switches and sockets transcend the ordinary. They redefine excellence and luxury in the world of electrical fittings. The first element you'll be noticed about Unica X, it is the ultra-thin design. These switches are designed to seamlessly integrate into your walls with a thickness of just 6.5mm, giving your space a contemporary elegance like never before. Next, let's talk about the material and finishing. Unica X switches are crafted from premium stainless steel using a high-intensity metal forging process. With the 6 exclusive colors and finishing to choose from, these switches are the perfect match for any contemporary minimalist interior. The plate's edge is crafted with CNC precision machines, giving it an exquisite touch to its overall design. Moving on to the quality, durability is key with the Unica X. These switches undergo a range of techniques like sandblasting, electrical plating, painting, anodizing, and brushing to ensure high quality through the range. Unica X also offers advanced functionalities to make your life easier. Features like the motion sensor night light and the socket outlet with USB chargers provide enhanced convenience and energy efficiency. So, there you have it, the new range of premium wiring devices from Schneider Electric, Unica X. Elevate your space with excellent luxury and innovation. Over to you, Denis.
Thanks a lot, Andre, for taking us through the Unica X range. I'd like here to make a special mention to our teams for their creativity and hard work. Technically, you've made the impossible possible with this solution that is truly innovative and the most beautiful wiring devices range I've seen. As we wrap up, I want to remind you that we have other episodes to come. Until then, stay tuned and connected to our Spotlight series. See you soon.